Boys and girls, today we're going to work on filling out a 120 chart with missing numbers, and we're going to be counting by fives. So when we do this, it's really going to help you when you're trying to find the missing numbers on our quizzes. You're going to be able to think back to this and remember the pattern when we're counting by fives. So we just have to think of our fives, and then the next number would be 10. 15. And what comes after 15? 20. So then we're going to do 25, 30. What comes after 30? 35. Good. Then what's next? 40, 45, 50. Very good. So we're halfway there. Are you noticing a pattern so that you know how to write your numbers? So it's 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. What's after 85? 90, 95, and then what? 100. Good. Now this is the tricky part. When we write 105, we write 105, and then 110 is 100 with a 10. So to write 115, we're going to do 100 with a 15. And for 120, we do a 1 and a 20. Good. So good job writing your fives on your hundreds chart. You're going to see some of these this week where we're going to have hundreds charts that we're working on building, and you're going to have a few more numbers missing when you look at it tomorrow. So good job. Hey, on the back, we're doing subtracting, and we're going to be doing -1 and -2, a few -2s. So the first thing I do when I look at a sheet like this is I find my neighbors on the hundreds chart, because when neighbors are subtracting, the answer is just 1. So we don't really have to look like at our number line or anything. See how all of these are neighbors, and all of those answers are just going to be 1. And then the other ones that you're going to see are just -1 problems, and all you have to do is go to the number that came before. So the number that comes before is 1, the number before 7 is 6, and the number before 8 is 7. So go through and solve all these subtraction problems, and then raise your hand for your teacher to come and check it. Great work, boys and girls.